In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show epics on board in Jira. If you're working in Jira and you want better visibility into larger pieces of work, turning on the epic panel is a quick and useful adjustment. Epics help group related issues together, so having them visible on your board or backlog can make planning and tracking much easier. To begin, open your Jira project and go to the backlog. This is the area where you can review upcoming work, organize issues, and manage larger planning details. If you're currently on a different project view, just switch over to backlog before continuing. This is important because the setting we need is available from that screen. Once you're in the backlog, look over to the right-hand side and find View Settings. Click that to open the display options for the backlog view. These settings control what extra panels and information are shown, so this is where you can customize the layout to match the way you like to work. After opening View Settings, look for the option labeled Epic Panel. If it's currently turned off, click it to turn it on. As soon as this setting is enabled, the Epic Panel should appear in the backlog view. This gives you a dedicated space to see your epics more clearly and helps you connect individual issues to the bigger initiatives they belong to. If you already see the Epic Panel and the option is enabled, then there's nothing else you need to do. That simply means the feature is already active. If you just turned it on, give the page a moment to update so you can confirm the panel is now visible. This small change can make a big difference when you're planning work across multiple tasks. It's especially helpful if your team uses epics regularly to organize features, goals, or larger deliverables. With the epic panel visible, it becomes easier to filter work, understand scope, and keep your backlog structured in a more meaningful way. And that's it. To show epics in Jira, go to the backlog, open View Settings on the right side, and enable the epic panel if it isn't already turned on. Once that's done, you'll be able to view your epics directly from the backlog area and manage your work with better context.